Good morning everyone. Hope you all are doing fine. We are back here with the video updates as we have already been giving you we have given you an idea about the posture, about the neck and the back program. Today we will be discussing about the fitness. As we all are homebound and unable to move out, we have tailored a program to be done at home. For this we don't need any bigger area. Will be just be needing an area which is 10 to 15 feet long and 3 to 4 feet wide, and we'll be doing a certain set of exercises to keep ourselves fit. And there are some precautions while doing this fitness program, like if you all the movements are to be done in a pain free range, there should be no pain at all while doing these exercises. And there are some contraindications. I request the patients who are already having some neurological disorder or any balance issue or any cardiovascular discomfort, they should not try this program. The aim of this program is to restore or to maintain or improve the neuromusculoskeletal system. As we are not using that much, we are in limited work routine, so this will help us in getting that part. I will request you all to give yourself a good amount of time, about 20 to 30 minutes for a session, and you can do it twice a day.
Start.
So in the first exercise is a warm-up, general warm-up exercise. As we all are equipped to walking as a warm-up exercise, we'll be starting with 10 to 15 rounds of walking in the area. So you are very completely relaxed. You have to just start with 10 to 15 rounds of walking. After you complete your 10 to 15 rounds, you start with a large amplitude shoulder movements in your walk and do 5 rounds of this. The next change is you now start doing sideways movement of your arms, 10 to 15 rounds, 5 rounds, sorry. This will complete our walking part. Now we will be starting some exercises. So in this exercise, first you will have to stand against the wall and keeping your both hands at 90 degree, shoulder 90 degree, chin tucked in, body relaxed. You start from quarter squat to a half squat as much as comfortable you can do, and you stay there for a count of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you have to complete 5 repetitions again. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the next exercise, you keep your both hands up like this. You are standing comfortably against the wall. You can keep your both hands like this, and then you go for a squat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As much as comfortable, you stay there for a count of 5. Again, you complete your 5 repetitions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Friends, if you feel like and if you are comfortable, you can move 6 inches ahead of the wall and you can do them squats without the wall also, if you are comfortable. So they have to be done only once, either with the wall or without the wall. You have to decide whatever suits you. Similarly, the next exercise is one leg standing. When I say one leg standing, you can, if you are feeling little unstable, you can stand against the wall and do one leg standing with both hands, shoulder at 90 degree, holding it for a count of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alternately. And if you're comfortable, you can move little ahead, 6 inches ahead of the wall, not that far, and continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the second, again you have to keep your both hands up like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Guys, after completing 5 repetitions, we'll be starting with a walk again. In this time, you will be keeping your both hands up like this, and you will have to keep your arm swaying like this. So you walk at normal pace with the hands at normal swing like this. So you walk again 5 rounds more of arm width sway. Now this was a walk with a normal stance where your both feet were shoulder width apart. Now you have to take a broad base like this. You open your legs, keeping your both hands like this. Again the swaying continues, but you walk in a broad base. Now, keeping your base broad, you're walking 5 rounds. Now, after 5 rounds, first we did was the shoulder width apart. Second was the broad base. Now we'll be doing a narrow base. Now you can identify yourself with one line and then keep your hands like this. The swing will continue and you walk narrow base. You will try to walk on the line as your benchmark. After completing 5 rounds, we will like you to now we'll be turning back like this and we'll be doing a backward walk. So if you have somebody at home to guide you in backward walking, it will be very good. To follow their commands, when to stop, turn. Again, we'll be needing 5 rounds of the same. Do not to hit any wall or anything, just be comfortable and walk backwards. After completing 5 rounds of the backward walking, we'll be doing the sideward walk. From the left side we have started, so we'll complete 5 rounds from the left side. After completing left side 5 rounds, we'll be turning our body to the 180 degree and we'll be doing the right side. Again the 5 rounds. After doing this 5 rounds, completing 5 rounds, the last exercise we're doing is a corner stretch. In this you will have to find a comfortable corner area of your home where it's all stable. You have to keep your body a little inclined. It's like you have to keep your both hands like this, chin tucked in, and you have to breathe in when you go for the stretch and breathe out when you come back. So you breathe in, keeping your chin tucked in, you go for the stretch and breathe out when you come back. So guys, this was the simple exercises we have started to work for your fitness. We will be adding or updating these exercises in few days. Approximately in 5 days we'll be adding the program. But always remember, these exercises what we all are teaching are general exercises to keep yourself fit. But in case you have any difficulty in doing any exercise, stop that exercise then and there only, and you can always contact us on our phone numbers. We'll get back to you as soon as possible. Stay home, stay fit. Thanks.